The split jerk is generally considered the best way to move the most weight overhead. To perform a split jerk, first find the correct stance by going into a lunge with the front knee over your foot and your back knee under your hip. Make sure your feet are wide as if you are standing on train tracks. From here, keep both feet pointing forward and raise your knee off the floor until your back knee is only slightly bent. Keep your balance even between your front and back leg. Become comfortable with this stance until you are able to repeat it at will. Once you are comfortable finding the correct stance, begin the jerk with the bar in your front rack position and standing straight up. Dip down a few inches and quickly change directions to drive the bar over your head. As the bar is traveling upward, split your legs into the same stance we practiced earlier. Completely lock out your arms overhead with the bar balanced over your shoulders. To finish the lift, bring your front foot back and your back foot up while keeping the weight steady overhead. Once finished, keep your elbows locked and drop the weight in front of your body safely on the floor.